story short, you walked out the door. Gotta get over myself. The drinks, they don't help. I've got to at least try. We're spinning out of control, and I've just got to know, if I follow, will it turn the ship around? If I let go, will it leave me here to drown? Gotta get over myself. This can't be farewell. I've got to at least try. If I follow, will you turn the ship around as I'm slowly sinking down? Just another night, just another fight. Will it be alright? 'Cause now you're out of sight. Gotta get over myself. The drinks, they don't help. I've got to at least try. I'm breaking up inside. Got to swallow my pride. If I follow, will it turn the ship around? If I follow, if I let go, will it leave me here to drown? Gotta get over myself. This can't be farewell. I've got to at least try. If I follow, will you turn the ship around as I'm slowly sinking down?
If you feel you wanna do it, you gotta step right into it. An advisor just gave my friend. Hey. The line is different in my head. I'm a coward and I know it. In the corner, always playing it safe. Today I'm trying something else. I put my fears on the shelf, turn the voices down and I'm safe and sound. And I know I'm walking a new path now. I'm just gonna spread my wings. You know, from this day on I'm gonna live my dreams. Today is my lucky day. Want something new to happen, you gotta change that old pattern. It's not a hard thing to understand. No. Some people waste their lives doing things they just don't like. But you can fail in doing what you hate. Why not try to stick to doing what you love? Today I'm trying something else. I put my fears on the shelf, turn the voices down and I'm safe and sound. And I know I'm walking a new path now. I'm just gonna spread my wings. You know, from this day on I'm gonna live my dreams. Today is my lucky day. Today is my lucky day.
we're no good for each other.